was recently named one of the best wealth managers in St. Louis Small Business Monthly, and he's been featured.
Is driven by Munganess Alton Toyota. What was there something that
I was going to say, Rachel, what do you learn now?
We lift up to you in the name of Jesus, who taught us to pray together.
Sun is always shining.
Be thy name.
Peace be with you. Congratulations. Welcome. Congratulations.
Abomination. So then verse 11 happened.
From Cardinal Baseball, the Cardinals and the Pirates today, 1:15.
And one day he came into class and we were talking, and he said, yeah. I said, how's the studio? It's not working out. I said, what happened? He goes, I got fired. I said, really? He goes, yeah, I did something stupid. I said, so they're looking for somebody? And he went, yeah. So I literally closed my book and got up and walked out of class and went to Cherokee and got the job. So then I was a night runner, midnight to 8 a.m. thing. And after about, I think I finished the first semester or whatever, the first year maybe there, and realized that I was learning more at the studio than I was in school.
Sure.
The schools then were not what they are now. So I said, well, all right, that's a waste of money. So instead of spending 12 hours at the studio and then going to class, I just spent 18 hours at the studio.